Uwei ukana badang puli class 12 ubadan ru hapreng kajing sha ai jing hikai hakawei kajaka puli hathem Ri-Bhoi ula Pynkut Noh elaka Jingim ha Tyllai Phasi ha ka kamra sa jong u katkum ka khubor bala yo lum latip bakate ka jingja kalaja hakamit jong kalai pho tarik unaitung hakapor khandai beji ai bat utei ukana ula khanghuk elaka kamra shwa ba unle yakate ka kam haba kren chekilat pathai khubor nakaliang u Dr. Palap Kalita uwei ni kinong hikai jong kate ka school ula yathu bakate ka jingja kalaja henin kamit hakapor khandai beji ai bat hadien bala yo jing tip yakate ka jingja lapen tip no mar shaki pulit ka Khynnah para police station bat ra no ekate ka met shanong po civil hospital ban le ka postmortem bat ka jing tokit halor kate ka jingja kadang ya chakman
Yesterday night, one of our students he committed suicide. The approximate time is 9 to 9:30, in between 9 to 9:30. Then we know about it. Then we informed the police, Khynnah police station. The police came. Then directly the body they have recovered the body. Then directly they sent to the Nongpo civil hospital. We don't know about it. When the police recovered the body, that time the door is totally locked. Then we have broken the door. Then we have see the conditions of the body. Then we directly informed the police. Actually, we don't know about it. What is the behind about it? The reasons behind about it. No, the normal things are same as usual. Same things are there. Only the daytime he took the lunch also. Then in the evening time he played also in the playground. Then the night time what happened actually we don't know actually. So हम लोग का क्या बोलते हैं उसको संवेदना उन लोग का फैमिली का साथ है अभी. तो अभी उन लोग का फैमिली भी हम लोग का साथ आया है हॉस्पिटल. हम लोग अभी हॉस्पिटल में ही है. अभी देखते हैं अभी पुलिस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन भी चल रहा है अभी.